if you had to convince another major investor to choose Romania tomorrow, what would be your strongest argument? And on the other side, your biggest warning?
Bună ziua. I'm sorry, my Romanian is still a bit weak. But, good question, a difficult question though. I would say that, of course, we have been through this evaluation period in our couple of years ago when we decided to choose Oradea and Romania for our factory site. And I would say typically big companies are looking for many criteria and not enough to be good in one. But well, at the moment I would say that in our situation I would say that workforce skill level is quite good and we are happy with the teams we have been able to recruit, and that was also one of the key criteria to have skilled and capable people work in our company.
And your biggest warning?
Of course, we can see the cost level in Romania is rising, and that we don't know the future, but the inflation is quite high and the cost of many things are going up. But maybe that's not only for Romania.
Okay, thank you.